I watched my friend get chased by 3 different women in 1 month. Zero money, average looks, but he had something most guys will never figure out. Here's what nobody tells you. Women don't chase the guy who's always available. They chase the guy who makes them feel like they have to earn him. I'm about to show you 7 daily habits that flip this entire game. Most are counterintuitive. A couple will piss you off, but I've seen these work in real time. And once you start doing them, you'll notice the shift within days. Especially habit number 6. This one separates boys from men, and most guys are too lazy to do it. Let's go. Habit number 1. You make decisions like you've already won. Stop asking permission for everything. You know that guy who texts, "What do you want to do?" Then waits for her to plan the whole night? That's the guy she screenshots to her friends. Instead, you pick the spot. You set the time, no polls. No, if that works for you, just meet me at 8. I know a place. Here's why this works. Women are exhausted making decisions all day. Career, family, friends, everyone wants something. When you lead, she gets to relax. She gets to be feminine, and that's when she starts investing emotionally. But here's the catch. You can't fake confidence. If you second guess yourself after making the call, she'll smell it immediately. Habit number 2. You let silence do the heavy lifting. Most guys panic when the conversation dies. They start word vomiting, random stories, jokes that don't land, asking interview questions. Fatal mistake. Comfortable silence is a power move. It shows you're not desperate to fill space. You're not performing for her approval. I learned this the hard way. Used to talk myself out of attraction because I couldn't handle 5 seconds of quiet. Then I watched a guy say 3 sentences in 20 minutes and have her completely locked in. The difference? He wasn't afraid of the pause. He let tension build, and tension creates chemistry. Try this today. Next time there's a silence, count to 5 before you speak. Watch what she does. 9 times out of 10, she'll break it first, and suddenly she's chasing the conversation. Habit number 3. You move through the world like you own it. Your walk reveals everything. Shoulders back, eyes forward, steady pace. No phone checking every 10 seconds. No looking around for validation. This isn't about arrogance, it's about direction. A man with purpose moves differently than a man who's drifting. Women clock this instantly. It's primal. She's watching how you navigate a room, how you carry yourself when you think nobody's looking. Fix your posture right now. Seriously, pull your shoulders back. Feel that? That's confidence. Do it every time you walk anywhere. Habit number 4. You don't explain yourself to death. When you're busy, don't write a paragraph about why. Can't tonight is a complete sentence. Most guys over-explain because they're terrified of seeming rude. So they write, "Hey, sorry, I'm super busy with this work thing, and my friend needs help moving, and I've got this other commitment." She doesn't care about your logistics. What she hears is, "Please don't be mad at me." High-value men keep it simple. Can't make it tonight. Let's do Friday instead. Done. No justification. No apologizing for having a life. This creates mystery. She starts wondering what you're doing that's more important than her. And that curiosity, that's what makes her chase harder. But here's where most guys mess up. They think this means being a jerk. Wrong. It's about respecting your time, not disrespecting hers. Habit number 5. You don't react to her tests. She's going to test you. It's not personal, it's biological. Maybe she mentions another guy. Takes 6 hours to text back. Cancels last minute. The weak move, getting emotional, jealous, needy, sending paragraph texts about how you feel. The strong move, you stay cool. No worries, have fun. Then you go live your life. I watched my roommate lose 3 girls in a row because he couldn't handle this. Every little thing triggered him. Every test became an argument. Meanwhile, my other friend, girl cancels on him, he goes to the gym. She texts him 2 days later asking to reschedule. He made plans anyway. Guess who she's chasing now? Nothing shakes you. That's the energy. Habit number 6. You look like you give a damn. This is the one that filters out the lazy guys. You don't need money for this. You need standards. Fresh haircut every 3 weeks. Nails trimmed. Clothes that actually fit your body. A signature scent, not a cloud of Axe body spray. Most guys walk around looking like they just rolled out of bed, then wonder why women aren't interested. Here's the harsh truth. If you don't respect yourself enough to look put together, why should she respect you? I started getting better haircuts and ironing my shirts. Basic stuff. The shift was immediate. Women I'd known for months suddenly noticed me differently. When you look like you've got your life together, she assumes you do. And once she feels proud to be seen with you, her competitive side kicks in. She'll want to lock you down before someone else does. Habit number 7. Your mission comes first, always. If she's your entire world, she'll disappear from it. Women don't want to be your purpose. They want to join you on one. I've seen this kill more relationships than anything else. Guy meets girl, drops his gym routine, cancels on his boys, abandons his goals. 3 months later, she's gone. Why? Because he became boring. He stopped being the man she was attracted to. Your fitness, your career, your passions, these aren't negotiable. You're building something with or without her. And that independence, that's magnetic. She doesn't want to be chased. She wants to chase a man who's already going somewhere. So there it is. 7 habits. Do these daily and watch how women start responding to you differently. Which one are you missing? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. I'm reading all of them. Hit subscribe. I drop these every week. Let's build this together.